In this multiple choice question from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option representing the impact of the removal of proximal convoluted tubule in nephron. For this, let me understand the glomerular filtration and tubular reabsorption procedure. In this particular picture, we are observing the active transport and passive transport marked with various colored arrow mark. If you are removing the proximal convoluted tubule, the maximum amount of urine will be produced. With this specification, we are choosing option D as a correct answer to secure 4 mark after ignoring option A, B and C. What are the points we told with this pictorial representation that we are giving as a point-wise narration to take the NEET notes for future reference? A large amount of water is reabsorbed from proximal convoluted tubule. One can expect that the removal of proximal convoluted tubule would make the urine diluted because a large amount of water is not reabsorbed. With this specification, we are choosing option D as a correct answer to secure 4 mark after ignoring option A, B and C.